Well, we made it to Tagaytay yesterday and we took the new Skyway southbound. It took us about 1 hour and 20 minutes compared to the 2.5 hours to 3 hour drive. As you know, Tagaytay City is located in the province of Cavite and it is south of Manila. It is known for the beautiful Taal Volcano, cool and nice climate, and of course, restaurants. Good morning, Tagaytay. So this morning we decided to go to this place called Dear Joe's Cafe and Juice to get breakfast. And come join us. Taal Volcano. Have a nice view right here from the highway. So nice and cool here today. Very low humidity. No wonder people come up here on the weekend and do their little staycation. A lot of nice restaurants to eat at. See, we're just right along the highway. That's where the car is parked. And there's like a little overview here. Nice. We're up in a hill somewhere. See? Across the highway there. There's some houses. We're back to the volcano. Yes. That's so nice. Yeah. Yeah. There it is. Join us for our little ride around town today, and we're probably gonna go to one of those little shops called Ilog Maria to get some soap and shampoo and whatnot, like little trinkets, and probably go for a massage in a little bit. So come join us in this little road trip. Kitang-kita. So there's a lot of viewpoint here along the Isaac Highway. This one says hashtag ano to? Hashtag Beautiful Ridge. I think that's what it's called. Beautiful Ridge. Hey, good afternoon.
Ito.
Ano yan?
Mga sabon to na made out of calamansi and ginger,
Gusto ko yung peppermint.
green
Pwede,
tea.
yung gano'n lang, yung nakabalot. Ba't yan hindi
yan.
nakabalot?
Sabi ko lang.
Palutin pa nila yun.
Babalutin pa yan?
Hindi, yung sa taas.
Ewan ko, ngayon ang pumili. Hindi ko na alam to eh. I'm going to end this video here at Ilog Maria. This place sells a bunch of organic, herbal, and some bee products, which is like royal jelly and some shampoo, soap, candles, you name it. You know, some beeswax candle. They have it here. So we're gonna go around and take a look what we can find here. And by the way, if y'all enjoyed this video, please subscribe to East West Picayune. Give me a thumbs up. Comment below, have you been to Tagaytay? Do you enjoy coming here? What are the places you like to come see in Tagaytay City? Actually, I've been here 2 years ago, and so was Brian, so we kind of coming around and just enjoying the place again. And like I said, please subscribe. Until next time, bye! By the way, I'm gonna share with you what we ate the night before at Balay Dako. It was so delicious. Thank you, Edna and Anika.